1. Whole body spin.
Oh no, you're gonna lose it.
Pretty good. Ready? Technique number 2, so I don't get so dizzy. Honey extraction. This definitely feels more like an Olympic event for beekeeping. A good core wrist workout. And the recovery is pretty good. And I'm not dizzy. Well, still a little dizzy, but I'm always like, oh, it's starting to rain. We gotta hurry up. We gotta get this honey extracted. And the homemade.
You're already out of breath.
Hillbilly extractor. Well, I'm warmed up is what I am. I'm not out of breath.
I don't know if it's so much hillbilly as cheapskate.
You want to get warmed up for any physical activity, because if you have a heart attack or a stroke while you're extracting honey, that could ruin the honey. So pack this in there to hold that. This looks pretty sturdy. I like our odds on this one here.
You're gonna ruin our camp towels.
Gonna get our towels all sticky, and they're gonna need laundered. I wonder if I should put a belt on before I do this. If my pants fall down during this extraction, I am not gonna stop. Just keep doing. Deal with the ramifications of a hairy butt later. Here we go. Ooh, it's heavy. Holy crap, is this heavy? I think it's working. Woo. Whoa. Whoa. This is going to take all day. I'm prepared. Let's see if any honey came out. Apparently, a little bit of honey came out.
My gosh, how you can't keep doing that.
With the centrifugal force of the weight of the container and 6.5 pounds of honey, it's pretty heavy in that strap contraption there. Yeah. We've gotten that merry-go-round like I wanted. All I have to do is sit and hold this. While half a dozen kids push me on the merry-go-round. Be a lot more fun, be more efficient. Right? It's either a merry-go-round or $1,000 for an extractor. I don't know which way to go.
I mean, you will have grandkids someday.
Swinging around my head didn't work, so we had to get the extractor out. Did you want to look down in here? bear hug it. This is almost as bad as swinging it around my head. At least the honey's coming out this time. There's some on this side.